Hello students, this is Pune Municipal Corporation Education Department Primary Channel. I, Miss Manali Murpute Sutar, welcome you all to the channel. Today, we are going to learn English grammar. In the last lesson, we have learned the nouns. In this lesson, we are going to learn pronouns. So, let us see what are pronouns. Okay, are you all ready? Yes. So children, first of all, don't get confused between pronouns and proper nouns because pronoun is a word that is used in place of noun. Okay, so pronoun replaces the noun. This is the word that replaces the noun. Okay, let us see some examples of pronouns. Yes, you can see on the screen I, we, you, there, he, him, she, her, it, us, they, are. These are the examples of some pronouns. Let us see the examples one by one. Actually, children, there are so many kinds of pronouns like personal pronoun and reflexive pronoun and so on. But today we are going to learn about personal pronouns. So let's see the definition. Pronouns that are most commonly used for the people are called personal pronouns. See children, these pronouns are used for people, not for the things. Okay, let's see some examples. My, mine, him, her, them, its, mine, myself, ours, your, our are the examples of personal pronoun. We are talking about the people. These pronouns are used for the people, right? Yourself, himself, herself, their, themselves, ourselves are the examples of personal pronouns. Okay, let's see one by one when to use I. So I is used when you are talking about yourself. You can see this girl. Her name is Swara. Okay, what she is saying? My name is Swara. I am 5 years old. See children, she is not repeating her name. My name is Swara. Swara is 5 years old. She is not saying like that. She is saying, I am 5 years old. Here she has used I word. I is the pronoun. Okay. Why she is using I? Because I is used when you are speaking, when you're talking about yourself. Okay. When I am talking, I am a teacher. So I am talking about myself. So I am saying I am a teacher. If students, if you are saying something about you, then what you will say? I am a student. These are the examples of using I in the sentence. Okay, we'll see another example. He. When to use he word, he pronoun. He is used for a boy or a man. When you're talking about some boy or about a man, then you will use he word. Okay, example, Rajiv is a kind boy. He helped an injured boy yesterday. Okay, we could say Rajiv is a kind boy. Rajiv helped an injured boy yesterday. We are not repeating the name Rajiv. Instead of repeating the name of Rajiv, we are using pronoun. So we are replacing Rajiv word by he. We are using he word over there. So this is an example of pronoun. Okay, we'll see next example. She. She word is used for a girl or for a woman. Okay, when you're talking about a girl or woman, then you will use she word. She is my sister. Like that. You can see a girl over there. Priya is my friend. She is a good singer. If you want to tell something about your friend, your mother, your grandmother, your sister, or someone who is a girl or woman, or your teacher, then you will use she word. Here is the example. Priya is my friend. We are replacing Priya with pronoun. And which pronoun we are using here? She. Because she is used for a girl or for a woman. Okay. We'll see the next example. It. It is used for animals and things. It is not used for people. Remember, for people we use some different kinds of pronouns. We'll see that one by one. It is used only for animals or things. Here is an example. This is a tiger. It is very strong. Here we are replacing the word tiger with it. It is the pronoun. It is very strong. So it is a pronoun. So here we have learned various examples where to use I, then he, she, it. Let's see some another example. We. We is used when you are talking about yourself with others. For example, we are studying. You can see 3 children over there. Means there is a group of children studying over there. So they are saying we are learning. When you want to say something about yourself, then you will use we word. Okay. If you are talking about your friends, then what you will say that we are learning, we are playing, we are sharing our tiffins. So we word is used when there are more than 2 people over there. Okay. We'll see some other examples. You. You is used when we are talking to person in front of you. When you are talking to the next person, the person next to you, then you will use you word. Okay. For example, are you playing with me? If you want, you word is used for both the means to single person or for group. You word is used for one person or for many person. Same word is used for both the in both the cases. Okay. You is a pronoun. Next, there are actually 3 persons, like first person, second person, and third person pronouns. In the first person, these pronouns are used for the person or persons who is speaking, who are speaking. Okay. Like for example, I, me, myself, mine, myself, we, us, our, ours, ourselves. For example, I must win. Let us learn grammar today. So I am talking about myself or for about us. When we are speaking about yours means myself. When you are speaking about yourself or your group, then you will use I, me, myself, mine, us, we, ours, ourselves. Okay. At that time, you will use these pronouns. These are called as first person pronouns. Okay. Next. Second person pronouns. These are used for the person or persons spoken to. Means the next person you are talking about or you are talking with, then you will use the word you, your, yours, yourself, yourselves. Okay. These are called as second person. Example, you must rest now. This book is yours. In these cases, When you're talking to another person, next person, then you word is used. Then the third person. These are used for the person or persons or things spoken about. Here we are not talking about ourselves. Even we are not talking up to the next person. We are talking about some third party, means about some another person. Okay. Examples: he, him, his, himself, she, her, herself, they, them, their, theirs, themselves, it, its, itself. These are the examples of third person pronoun. Okay. Example, we'll use the examples in sentence. He locked the door. Here, he word is a third person pronoun. It was a sunny morning. It in the sentence is a third person pronoun. Okay, let us revise what we have learned. So children, we have learned the pronouns. Among the in the pronouns, we have learned the personal pronouns. Okay. Again, I am repeating that don't get confused between the pronouns and proper nouns, because proper nouns are the names of the person, place or thing. These are the special names given to that person, place or thing. But pronouns are the nouns. Pronouns are the words which replaces the noun. The word used instead of noun is called a pronoun. Let's solve some examples. So the question is, recognize the pronoun in the sentence. First sentence, I am going to Delhi tomorrow. So what will be the answer? Yes, answer is I. This is first person pronoun. Okay, next, we are meeting after long time. So which is the pronoun in the sentence? It is we. Next, they are playing for long time. Which is the pronoun in the sentence? They. Correct. Very good, children. That means you have learned it, right? Next, the next question is, replace the underlined noun with a pronoun. Now what you have to do? Here one word is underlined and you have to replace that noun. That may be a proper noun or a common noun. Whichever noun it is, you have to replace it, and replace it with what? With the pronoun. Yes, we'll see first example. Dinesh can run so fast. The word Dinesh means this is the name of a boy or girl. Yes, this is the name of a boy. So for boy, which pronoun will use? He. Okay. So we will replace Dinesh with he, and we will write the sentence again. See, when the teacher or the in the exam you get the question like this, replace the underlined noun with a pronoun. And at that time, you don't have to write just he. You will write the full sentence. Just replace the given word with pronoun. So we have replaced this Dinesh with he. Next question. Madhuri dances well. So underline name is a girl or boy? Yes, it is a girl. So we are using the pronoun she. She dances well is the answer. Okay. In place of Madhuri, we are using she word, she pronoun. Next, this is Rama's bag. See children, Rama is a girl again, but we are not using she word over here because you can see apostrophe s over there, Rama's bag. So this is her bag, her pronoun will use. This is her bag. If it would be Ram, then it would be This is his bag. Instead of Ram, we would use his bag. So these are the pronouns. I hope that you have understood the video, and if you like the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. In the next video, we will learn another types of pronouns. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video.